What if we could augment ourselves with collectives of small, intelligent agents? Our goal is to create a universal, intuitive tool that is not yet available. Our research on collective intelligence shows that simple, disposable units become a powerful tool when they work together, just like an ant colony. We develop collaborative agents to create a versatile and robust meta-tool that can easily adapt to a multitude of purposes. We believe that safety should be a human right. Collectives of small and cheap drones can fill the gap in public safety in places where it's a luxury. A simple and intuitive user interface will democratize our technology and open doors to new markets and use cases. Our next step is to use natural language as the universal interface to address any task. You would only specify a high-level goal, and the collective of autonomous agents will do the rest to solve the problem. We believe in the power of collectives. We are looking for like-minded people to make our vision a reality. Together,